This takes place of your round robin. My name is Shaun Finnegan. I am the assistant principal among assistant principals at the Mining Ranch High School. And I am here to give you a brief update on a couple of things for next year, or this coming year. First one is the C-Day schedule. We're going to start with the C-Day schedule. You have all this. I will be sending it all to you in an email. And of course, that C-Day schedule doesn't have the 10 minutes between classes. So we're just going to cruise along and get her done. And then the other bell schedule that we need to worry about is the big one. Again, no 10 minutes, 5-minute daily announcement, 35-minute lunch. That includes your 30-minute uninterrupted if you choose to be, and then 9th and 10th period. And then our early release. There she flies. Again, you'll be getting all these in an email. And then the other important thing is our AB schedule or calendar. There it is, C-Day on the first day right here. All that, and then September, October, November, December. And then, of course, you can use this to schedule your viable curriculum if you choose to. And then the master schedule. You will be getting the master schedule in an email after I make all the changes. It's rival beauty. We have a few new teachers that you'll be meeting, and we have a few changes with a couple old teachers. What else? What else do you need from me? The important thing is that come talk to me if you have questions. Use your department chair. They have a lot of answers. Most of the time, more answers than I do. And if they don't have answers, they can always shoot me a quick email, and that, of course, will get a quick email back. Classes aren't too stuffed. We're holding around 30 in most of them, and I'm pleased with that. I hope you are too. And then, of course, with allocations and stuff like that, we don't know. The district is still concerned about their enrollment because they haven't got final confirmation, which is, of course, count day. And then and Marley will walk us through count day. And if we have any adjustments after that, we will make our adjustments. I'm excited about this year. And there's Marley. Say hi. Because she's probably your next pass. Thank you, and have a great day.